Hello, welcome to another Crystal Maze video. Well, as you can tell, we're back in the Eastern Zone, my front living room, looking at a prop from the Eastern Zone. Now, like the vase in the previous video, there were two of these. What is it? Well, this appeared in the game Spot the Difference. Now, that appeared in both the US and the UK version, Series 3, the UK obviously, Eastern Zone, only appeared in Series 3. What is it? Well, it is this lovely little bedside cabinet. Fantastic piece, very ornate, very shapely, and ooh, beautiful design. But there you go. As I said, there were two of these. The object of the game was that the contestant took these 5 rings that lit up into the first room, had a look round at the various objects, objets d'art, objects and stuff, chairs, tables, decorations, things like that. Looked at it, and then there was a little hole in the wall opposite. They had to climb through that, and there was a more or less similar room laid out, but obviously there were 5 differences in that second room. You had to spot what those differences were and put those rings over the differences. Now, said there were 2 of more or less every item. Some obviously were slightly different because they were the different ones, but there were 2 of these. One in the first one. Now, the interesting thing is, in the first room, this was actually the crystal release mechanism. Yes, when the contestant had spotted all 5 differences and put the ring on them, this would then automatically slide open and the crystal would be sat inside. But this one is from the second room, which didn't have the crystal inside. Now, originally this drawer was actually nailed shut underneath. I'll probably show you in a minute. It was nailed shut so the contestant could not open it. Obviously, because the crystal would be inside the first one, shouldn't there be a crystal inside the second one? It's a very nice piece to have. I don't have the crystal one, but as I said, it's still a very nice piece to have, and it does sit just down there in my Eastern Zone themed room. So let's have a look at there then. It's about 18 inches high and about 14 inches across. That's it. It's a nice little piece of wood, obviously. I think it's just a drawer that's been painted up red, but obviously it's got this ornate little thing. I'll come a little bit closer. Just a bog standard drawer, really. That just sits in there. And as I say, it's got this ornate front, a little sort of wave pattern at the bottom, and then at the side you've got these sort of curved legs that come inwards. And there you go. So just have a look underneath as well, all painted red as well to match the sort of red and gold aesthetics of the Eastern Zone. As I said, this was nailed shut, was this one, but it is a really nice piece to have. We're going to keep some little DVDs or something in there as well, but there you go. So there we go, a prop from the Spot the Difference Eastern Zone game. Hopefully see you all again soon. Till next time, goodbye.